Network marketing or multi-level marketing is a smart business opportunity that you can venture into for a profitable revenue stream. In today's ever-changing environment, network marketing offers you an opportunity to make money and develop yourself exponentially. And it is a business model in which independent representatives form a network of distributors and sell a company's products. The distributors are also encouraged to recruit other independent sales representatives in order to reach as many potential customers as possible. Why is network marketing important? Let's discuss 5 reasons why network marketing is significant in today's world. 1. An opportunity to earn extra cash. Every human being has a desire to make extra cash and achieve financial freedom. Network marketing offers you an opportunity to generate income despite your current financial standing. With network marketing, you do not need to quit your day job, as you can do network marketing as a side hustle. 2. Residual income. Residual income is an earning that you continue to receive based on your earlier efforts. Residual income is based on sales of products and services. This means that, if your network continues to generate repeat sales, then you will get paid for that one sale long into the future. Network marketing is important because it enables you to earn more and work less by building your passive income sources. 3. Huge demand for excellent products. Network marketing companies are famous for creating revolutionary products that hit the market by storm. The huge demand for these products makes it easier to sell. Also, the products are designed specifically to generate repeat business. Network marketing has enabled brands to grow into multi-billion companies through endless chains of agents who ensure that the multiple levels keep growing and advancing progressively. 4. Live a rewarding life. One important reason that makes network marketing important is the personal development that comes from helping other people succeed. It is very rewarding to lift other people and watch them become better every day. With network marketing, you grow as your business grows. Your skills, strengths, and experiences are also rewarded with handsome payouts, which are very important for both part-time and full-time business distributors. 5. Leveraging. Leveraging is a magnificent tool for building wealth. In network marketing, building your network and watching it grow is of paramount importance. Multi-level marketing helps customers find what they need. When you and your team work together by developing a collective mindset, the business begins to build itself. You start enjoying the benefits of network marketing. For example, you can go for a vacation and make money while at it. When you teach others how to do business, you reap the rewards as well, creating win-win relationships. In conclusion, network marketing is very important in today's modern world. It has existed for decades and has changed the lives of many. Many successful businessmen all over the world are involved in network marketing, while others recommend it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. Also, to get the future video updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon.